Hey everybody, Jangro here. In this video, we are going to take a deep dive into StickyPiston Minecraft hosting. Now, full disclosure, I have been a partner of StickyPiston, a customer of StickyPiston, and I've even been on their stream team on Twitch. All of this makes me very qualified to speak in detail about StickyPiston. Everything that I have to say is not influenced by me being a partner. I just think that they are an amazing Minecraft host. So let's take a look at their service. Let's sign up for an account so you can see what that's like. And then let's look at their control panel and we'll set up a couple of servers so you can see how easy it is to use StickyPiston. So here we are on their homepage. You can check it out here, but they've got 4,000 plus mod packs, Minecraft vanilla setups, maps, and mod packs from all different mod pack platforms. You can see them all listed here. For example, you can click on CurseForge and you can see all the different CurseForge mod packs that are on here. As you go through the process, it's also important to know that you can get a free trial for 24 hours of any mod pack, any map, anything you want to check out. But hopefully, thanks to this video, you won't have to do that. Let's just order a server and check it out. We'll talk about all their great features once we're on the inside. We'll click the order server button. Now we need to pick a server type when we sign up. What you choose here just does not matter. You can change it, we can add more. We're actually going to be able to add several instances all within the same console. So getting a StickyPiston server is like getting several servers in one. Let's just set up a paper server, vanilla. If you're going to set up a vanilla server, you're much better off setting up paper, purper, one of those modded vanilla servers rather than just a plain vanilla server. You'll get much better performance. We'll click next step. Now we pick the package we want. You can do a 7-day server if you want to. Set up monthly, quarterly, or yearly, and you get extra savings. Keep in mind that in order to get the promotion, you need to do at least a monthly. Check the description in this video. I probably have a better coupon than what is on here by default. Check that out. You can get anywhere from a 2 gigabyte up to a 16 gigabyte server. Let's just set up a 6 gigabyte server because I'm going to install a mod pack after we look at this vanilla server. Next step, we choose our region. This is my closest one, West Coast. Pick one close to you. There are lots of them all around the world. Next step. Now this, I don't think anything in here is a secret. I'll just fill this out quickly. You can send me an email if you want to. Oh, I already have an account with this email address. I need to put a test email in. Okay, from there we register. This is just creating our account. Now you can put in your Minecraft name, which will connect it to your Minecraft account. I'm going to use Jangro MC. My main one is already used, so I'm going to use this one. Yeah, that guy. See, look familiar? Now this is our custom server address. So this is what our friends are going to go to, jangromc.spmc.co. Perfect. And now we just have to pay. Review your order, place order. I'm just going to enter my payment info here, and I'll see you on the other side of that. Now from here, look for an email that has the subject line, your Minecraft server is ready to play. And in there will be your information and your Multicraft login information. So we'll go back over here, click to continue to the client area. We can click on our server, manage Minecraft server, and we're all logged in. So this is a Multicraft control panel, just like many other hosting providers. That means there's going to be 2 logins. One's for the client area and one is for this control panel. And you can see here, my paper server is already set up and running. We can see the familiar things over here on the left side. Here's our main screen with some world settings for our vanilla server. There's a chat console here where you can chat with folks on the server. Like if you want to shut down the server, talk to them from here, you can without being in the game. There's a console, which gives you a live view of the server console. You can manage the players on your server. You can access your files via FTP, either through this web interface. And here's all the files on the server. Or you can connect to the FTP server using this information from your FTP client. There's server configs. You can add data packs. You can choose plugins to install on your server. This is a paper server, so we can install any plugins from Bucket or Paper that are compatible. If this was a mod pack, we wouldn't be able to install plugins for that. Then there's crash reports, place to open a support ticket, knowledge base. There's a pretty extensive knowledge base for StickyPiston. There's a task scheduler. You can set up commands to run on a scheduled basis. So you can create backups, restart the server on a daily basis, things like that. There's a whole backup interface, which is one of the most important things about a hosting provider like this, is that you get manual and automated backups. You want to make sure you have automated backups set up on any Minecraft server that you have. You can set up sub users so you can let your friends manage this if you want to. You can set up MySQL databases, which are useful for some plugins and mods. You can set up additional ports, also useful for some different plugins and mods as well. So the most important thing about StickyPiston and what sets it apart from others, besides their great support, is a couple of features right here on the homepage. We have empty server slots here. So we can install up to 4 total server instances, and they can be swapped back and forth. So you can have paper running on a server. You can set up a couple different Modpacks, check them out, and you can set up a map, and you can add them in here as instances, and you can swap back and forth, which is pretty unique to StickyPiston. Also, within each instance, there's a world manager. So you can have multiple worlds. I'll just quickly create a test world here. So you can have multiple worlds within an instance, and you can activate them individually. Activate this one. This one's already activated. We can make another duplicate of it, edit it, do all kinds of things here. These are really useful features for managing a server. Let's set up a quick mod pack. I'm playing the Remain mod pack right now on my main YouTube channel, Django Games, if you want to check this out. And we just click install Remain. And there we go. Now we have this instance here. We can switch over, activate this instance. It stops the server. Now Remain is the active instance, and the paper server is still here. And I can activate that back again. This is really useful if you want to play with multiple worlds, try out different mod packs. Really cool and unique functionality. Now, I had to change this friendly address. If you see that this changed from before, the Django MC one that I set at the beginning was already used. So I set up a new one to finish the process. And there you go. There is a complete and full look at the whole process of buying and setting up a StickyPiston Minecraft server with a look at the control panel so you can know what to expect if you're going to order a StickyPiston server. Again, I highly recommend StickyPiston. Their servers are great, performance is great, support is great. As I said at the beginning, I've been working with them for years. I consider them friends, and they have a great service. Hope you check it out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. I appreciate you.